Okay, so for my project, I decided that I was going to work in Illustrator because I'd done a lot of build projects before and I wanted to try something new. So for my first week, I was going to learn the basics of Illustrator. I was going to find an idea of what I wanted to do, and I was going to learn like the very basics because I'd never done anything in Illustrator before. This is me just learning the basics of Illustrator, learning how to use the pen tool. I drew this flower just for fun to see what I already could kind of do. And it's not the best flower, but I mean, it's a flower. And then I learned how to use the eyedropper tool to match the colors. As you can see that this petal was changing as I went through. And in week 2, I wanted to know what I wanted to do and work on my idea. But I still wanted to follow some tutorials, so because I wasn't very good at Illustrator yet, and I'm still not the best illustrator, but I can do some things. So and in this video I used blend, plucker, bloat, and roughen in an inner glow effect, and this helped me make my final outcome. Which was this. And I thought this looked a lot like a Horton Hears the Who flower. So I decided to make my project on Horton Hears the Who. And I decided not to do the photo on the right because I thought that I'm not skilled enough in Illustrator yet to be able to make a bunch of flowers and make them not mesh together and look just like one pink blob. So I opted for the left photo. On week 3, I was going to work and finish my project, and this is me in the process of finishing my project. And the tools that I used were the pen tool, eyedropper, gradient, and reflect. The reflect that I used was in the water. I reflected the image so that it looked like his reflection in the water. And then week 4, I was just going to fine-tune my project. This is my finished project, and it doesn't look very much different from the first that I showed you a second ago, but I just changed some small details in it.